Ever wonder how a Mercedes S-Class is made? Let's dive into the craftsmanship behind the luxury.
At dawn, the Sindelfingen plant awakens, a testament to precision engineering and the birthplace of the S-Class.
Automated electrocoating immerses the entire body into a giant tank where electrical charge bonds primer molecules to the steel. The assembly line begins as robotic cranes lower the painted body onto a moving platform. East Asia S-Class prioritizes silence. Every layer we install contributes to the trademark whisper-quiet interior experience.
The wiring harness is secure.
Confirmed. The S-Class system check is complete. We have full green status.
Vibration dampening is optimal on the rear quarter.
Agreed.
The data confirms the low transmission.
Check the reflection on the hood.
Absolutely pristine. No waves detected.
Module positioning confirmed.
Power interfaces responding. We are green across the board, P40 online.
.01.
Easy. Confirmed. We are aligned.
The transmission unit is carefully mated to the engine, with robotic arms guiding the components into place under.
I've got this clamp tightened. Did you check the torque settings?
Yes, and the pressure test is holding steady at 15 psi.
The distribution is completely uniform now.
Yes, the bolster readings are well within tolerance.
P58. Door panels, upholstered in fine leather and trimmed with polished aluminum, are attached with precision screws.
Seal inspection complete. Ready for the tilt test.
Initiating sequence. The hydraulics are responding perfectly.
Look at the peak right here at the crossover point.
Right.
A minor adjustment should align it. Much better. The curve is stabilizing perfectly.
Advanced driver assistance sensors, including radar and LiDAR units, are calibrated and installed discreetly.
Look at the NOx levels right here.
Yeah, I see it. It's stable within the limit.
Paint drying tunnels use controlled heat and airflow to cure coatings evenly. Time-lapse footage revealed. The power delivery data here shows a slight inconsistency at peak torque. We should adjust the dampening parameters for the next run.
Diagnostics are clear on P72. Connectivity is stable.
Confirmed. System check passed.
Right within the P75 parameters.
Solid performance.
The fuel system is sealed and tested for leaks and pressure stability, emphasizing the vehicle's advanced engineering and commitment to safety.
Battery health is confirmed. Looks good.
Auxiliary power outputs are nominal. System check complete.
We have stable transfer rates on P83.
Confirmed. Initiating the reboot sequence.
Sequence complete. All parameters are optimal.
High-resolution cameras perform a 360-degree visual inspection of each vehicle, detecting any cosmetic imperfections and verifying assembly accuracy.
Panel gaps are within tolerance.
Confirmed. Checking the trunk alignment now.
Each Mercedes S-Class undergoes an extensive road simulation test on a state-of-the-art dynamic platform.
We have a spike here by the lower hinge.
The data confirms a pressure drop in that seal. We should reinforce it immediately.
The pressure here is still too high in the lumbar region. Let's reduce the support by 2% and retest.
The integration looks seamless on the passenger side.
Yeah.
Confirmed. Let's switch to the amber profile.
Microphone check, Alpha Bravo Charlie. Testing sensitivity. System, initiate noise cancelling protocol sekarang.
With the P95, key driving information is projected directly onto your windshield.
Take the upcoming exit.
Seamless integration confirmed. The AI features and navigation are fully optimized.
Agreed. The gesture control response time is flawless now. Logging the pass.
Under him. The sophisticated exhaust system is assembled with precision welds and noise dampening materials, then tested for emission.
The uniformity across the panel is perfect.
I agree.
To our tire.
The deep gloss is exactly what we aim for. And
Each vehicle's chassis undergoes ultrasonic scanning to detect microscopic.
The suspension springs and shock absorbers are stress tested on hydraulic rigs, simulating years of wear and tear to guarantee.
The adaptive sweep is fully optimized. Check the glare zone reading again. It's slightly high for oncoming traffic. Adjusting the algorithm now.
P104. The advanced braking system is rigorously tested on dynamometers. With heat dissipation and pad, digital displays inside the vehicle undergo color calibration to ensure crisp, vibrant graphics that maintain clarity under direct sunlight and nighttime driving.
Infotainment and control systems check confirmed.
The audio system's speakers and subwoofers are tested in an anechoic chamber, measuring sound clarity.
The rear seat entertainment modules are installed and tested, with high-resolution screens and wireless connectivity verified.
TPMS activated. Calibration in progress. Sensor synchronization complete. System check complete. All tires at optimal pressure.
All preferences are saved. The calibration is complete.
Excellent work. It synced perfectly to key 1.
The deformation here is minimal, well within tolerance.
Agreed. The cabin integrity held perfectly, confirming the sensor data.
The transport process begins with the vehicle being loaded carefully onto specialized car carriers.
Emissions check complete. All levels nominal.
Confirmed. Within regulatory limits, vehicle cleared.
The silver S-Class is clear for Bay 3.
Confirmed. ETA on the next truck is 1,400 hours.
The sealant application on the rear light is satisfactory.
Okay, marking this unit as compliant.
The map update is so smooth. Look at the traffic flow.
Yeah, and it says we'll arrive on time, even with the backup ahead.
Take the next exit toward downtown.
This represents months of hard work. The first one off the line.
I'm honored to deliver it. Thank you.
We've uploaded the initial service schedule directly to your vehicle's system.
And here is your personalized guide.
Thanks for watching Production Revealed. What luxury production should we reveal next? Comment below and don't...
The perfect fusion of craftsmanship, technology, and luxury.
That's how precision meets luxury. Mercedes S-Class, engineered to perfection.
Thanks for watching Production Revealed. What luxury production should we reveal next? Comment below